Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? And I'm Sugandha and I'm back with a new super cool video. Okay, so आज की जो वीडियो है that is based on an app and app का नाम है Smitten. Okay, maybe आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने और maybe girls ने especially might have heard about this app and might not have. Okay, so आज मैं आप लोगों को introduce करा रही हूँ इस app से. The name is, as I told you, Smitten, and it is an beauty app. I would say, like, you can get all your beauty products, your bathing accessories, your bags, and whatnot all. The very special thing about this app is कि Smitten में आपको before purchasing you can try the products. You can actually try the products. Okay. So the first step would be you have to sign up, you have to log in into Smitten, and then आपको एक page open होगा. I'll try to put the screenshots so that you doesn't get confused. तो first page पे ही you will get some trial products, like बहुत लंबी list आएगी. You have 6 trial points on Smitten. अब आप उस 6 points में से you can take any 6 products out of that trial point, and that is absolutely free. So how is it free? I'll let you know. आपने अपने 6 products choose कर लिए. You have to add them into a cart. You have used your all the trial points, right? उसके बाद you have to just pay. I guess I remember I had paid rupees 169 or 199. I doesn't exactly remember. तो आपको इतना you have to pay, and that is actually free because as soon as you will make your order, that amount, rupees 169 or rupees 199, whatever it is, I'll check it out and mention in the screen. वो amount आपके Smitten points में वापस आ जाएगा. You can use it as an bucks, like rupees 169, like 169 bucks, or आप उसे वापस ट्रायल पॉइंट पे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. लाइक यू कैन अगेन ट्राई न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स. तो मैंने भी सेम किया. आई प्लेस्ड माई ऑर्डर आई गेस 1 week बिफोर, एंड आई एम, बिलीव मी गाइज, आई एम नॉट प्रमोटिंग एनी ऑनलाइन परचेजिंग राइट नाउ. ट्राई डू नॉट डू दैट. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेजी हूँ. लाइक मेरे को क्रेविंग होती है ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग की. डिड यू गेट दैट? लाइक मुझे क्रेविंग होती है. मुझे हर दिन कोई ना कोई ऑर्डर चाहिए. लाइक मुझे बहुत एक्साइटमेंट रहती है कि आई विल गेट माई न्यू प्रोडक्ट, एंड आई एम दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ गर्ल, सो आई कैन नॉट कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ. एंड इफ यू कुड, सो प्लीज डू इट, बिकॉज लॉकडाउन चल रहा है एंड कोरोना बहुत ज़्यादा स्प्रेड हो रहा है. सो डू नॉट शॉप दैट मच. इफ यू गाइज वांट टू नो दैट व्हाट्स द लिपस्टिक शेड दैट आई एम वेयरिंग, so I am wearing the lipstick from 7 Seas Matte. If you could see, this is 7 Seas Matte and I'm in the shade 61. Okay, keeping that aside, this is the cardboard that I received. This is the parcel that I received, and I have already opened it. I'll show it to you guys as well. So the products come in this bubble packaging. Okay, so here are my sample products. If you can see, here are my sample products. Okay, I'll show it to you one by one. Okay, some of you might know that I'm a big fragrance lover. Like I am. मेरे को कहीं भी जाना होगा, the 2 things are on my top list to buy. One is the nail paints, and another is fragrances like perfumes, deos, and I'm just a big crazy fragrance lover. और ये आपको ऐसे प्रूफ होने वाला है because जो Smitten पे 6 ट्रायल्स होते हैं, मैंने 6 में से 5 तो फ्रेग्रेंस ही ट्राई की है एंड एक क्रीम है. Okay, I'll show you the first product. That is this plum cream. I'm not reviewing all of them because मैंने use नहीं किया. I'm just introducing you what all I have ordered. ठीक है, this is a very small tube. This is a trial tube. This is of actually this is of rupees 125, and ये बहुत ही छोटू सा ट्यूब है. This is a night tube, so I have not used the plum cream ever or plum products ever. So this would be my first trial with plum. Let's see. I'll try it and review it. Okay, so second product over here is this chotu sa cute sa perfume bottle, and this is by Ital Velos, and the fragrance is Love and Peace. If you could see, this is Love and Peace, and believe me guys, believe me, excitement मेरी fake नहीं है. This is amazing. Like this is amazing. This is literally amazing. ये second product है मेरा, and I just love perfume. I'm very happy. I'm like super happy. Okay, so the third product again is the perfume by Itovius, and the fragrance is Shooting Stars. And ये बहुत cute bottles हैं यार. They are super cute. Okay, this fragrance is ये मैं exactly describe नहीं कर सकती fragrances को, and मैं ये भी नहीं बता सकती because I have not used them कि ये कितने long lasting है, but they are amazing. They are just very 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 amazing. Okay, so the third product I am having it again by Ital Realist perfume, and this is Velvetina, and again purple cute bottle if you could see, and let me check the fragrance. Beautiful. अगर आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये मतलब कैसे, believe me guys, they are बहुत ही प्यारे हैं ये मतलब they are, एक तो first of all they are super cute bottles, and बहुत प्यारी fragrance है, बहुत सुंदर fragrance है. and actually मैंने इन्हें trial के लिए इसीलिए मंगाया था, so that I can try them and I can order a bigger one, like a bigger bottle from Smitten. Okay, so the fifth product over here is this pocket perfume again. Perfume. As I told you that I'm a perfume lover. So to try करने के लिए मेरे पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी, like वहाँ पे body scrubs थे, lipsticks था, makeup था, बहुत सारी खाने पीने की चीज़ें थी, protein bars थे, but as I told you that I'm a perfume lover, मैंने perfumes order किया है. Okay, so this is a very, एक तो packaging is very very cute, like it's a super cute packaging. And this is it retails for ₹100, and let me check its fragrance. It is more of like flower, but it's good. Like I like the smell. ये थोड़ा flower जैसा है, like floral smell है इसका, and I like it. Last but not least, the sixth product is this VLCC perfume, again perfume, and it's a pocket perfume, and it retails for ₹60, but as I told you मैंने Smitten से order किया है, तो this is 22 ml of a bottle, pocket perfume, and let me check it out. Okay, ये नया वो आया है, we have to just slide it up and use it. Okay, so where should I use it? Okay, so इसकी smell, I'm not using it directly on my body because मैंने full top पहना है. This is more sort of typical Indian smell, like chandan, I would say, like not chandan but again a floral smell. बहुत ही ज़्यादा Indian sort of smell है इसकी, but I like it. मेरे को सब अच्छा लगता है perfume में. Okay guys, so ये थे वो 6 products जो मैंने Smitten से try किए. 5 perfumes, like super cute perfumes, and this plum cream. अगर मुझे ये सारे मुझे और पसंद आते हैं तो I will definitely order more. आप लोग भी जा सकते हैं Smitten की ऐप पे, you have to just log in, you have to use your trial points, and believe me, you will be super happy. आपको बहुत खुशी होगी इन छोटे छोटे ट्रायल प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़ करने में. एंड वन थिंग मोर, दिस इज माई सेकेंड टाइम व्हेन आई एम यूजिंग माई ट्रायल पॉइंट्स विद Smitten. One was long back, around 5 to 6 months before, and this is my second time and I'm super happy. उस टाइम मैंने परफ्यूम्स ऑर्डर नहीं किए थे. आई हैव ऑर्डर फेस वॉश, स्क्रब. यहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ मिलने वाला है, like from A to Z, you will get everything. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'm very new to YouTube. Please support me. I really need your support. And I'll link the Smitten this thing app का जो link होगा, I'll link in the description box. You can check it out there. And you can also try these free products. And I hope you will also love them. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Mwah.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and